This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about teacups, specifically these Voga tea cups. We have the traditional style 10-ounce round melamine coffee cup with saucer that's 6 inches across and 3 inches wide. And we have the Japanese style 8-ounce black Japanese teacup that's 3 inches in diameter and 3¼ inches tall. The traditional 10-ounce one features a saucer and also your cup with a nice little handle there. And it just has a nice sleek curve to that design, so it's very traditional and kind of minimalistic. The handleless ones have a nice soft wave to the outside, and they don't have handles, so that it's a nice indication to your guests if they're too hot to handle and pick up, your tea is too hot to drink, and it's best to wait a little bit. So these are great for the service of coffee, cappuccinos, or teas. They're all made of shatterproof melamine, which is durable and stylish, and can easily stand up to heavy use while maintaining their lovely appearance. And they're scratch resistant as well. They're also dishwasher safe, which means you're going to have an easy, hassle-free cleanup. So they're great to use at a variety of food establishments for various hot beverages or just in your own home.